So this bird keeps trying to cross the road. I think it's going to do it again, and it's like a highway. And it's not the smartest bird ever. Alright, well, my battery's going to die, so unfortunately...
Oh, it's on the street.
Oh, stage. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I can't watch this. I can't watch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit.
It's happened 3 times.
I think the bird might make it. No, 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 no. This is like a really sick video if it makes it. Go, 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 go. Deixa. Deixa. I'm pretty sure it's gonna make it. It's in the turn lane thing. We have success.